Welcome to a bright and cool day here in Fairview, Tennessee. We're going to check out a brand new community that has just started building the homes in here. And as you can hear in the background, there's construction noise going on. But this particular builder is putting up 300 homes in a brand new subdivision called Bowie Meadows. And I've got the inside track on the lots and the incentive plans that they have going currently for inventory properties as well as pre-construction. By the way, they are going to pay my fee to represent you in the negotiation of one of these beautiful homes. If you don't know about Fairview, Tennessee, I've done a full walkthrough video of the city of Fairview right here. It'll give you all the ins and outs of the city, the schools, the park, the rec center, and location and proximity to Brentwood, Franklin, and Nashville, which we just sit south of. This community is going to have 300 homes in it, like I said, and it's going to connect to our brand new city center, which is up on 100 directly behind me. Okay, this particular builder is Lennar Builders. They're going to have 5 floor plans in this subdivision. However, each floor plan has an option of 5 to 6 different types of elevations. So even if you and your neighbor choose the same floor plan, you're not necessarily going to end up with the same looking house. Now, what the elevation means is how you see the house from the curb. The front, the porch, the garage, whether you have dormers on it, the type of siding. This one has shaker as well as hardy board siding, brick skirt. All that can be picked and adjusted so that if your floor plan matches your neighbor's, your house will look completely different. This particular model home is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath house around 3,200 square feet. These homes in this subdivision are going to range from the low, very low 6s to around the mid 7s, and they're only going to be releasing a certain amount of lots at a time and pre-building those. Again, you can buy an inventory house that have about 8 built so far, or you can come in and pre-pick a lot that you'd like to build on, and I can help you do that. I've got a design and construction background myself. I've been in real estate about 15 years, so I have a good eye for new construction because in Fairview, we're building 3,000 homes over the next 5 years. That's multiple communities, which I've done a lot of community tours on my YouTube channel, multiple floor plans and multiple builders. So not everything's the same, but there's a lot of variety to pick from, and you're going to need somebody like me who's a local expert and lives in the community to help you navigate all these communities, all these floor plans, all these builders, and all the ever-changing incentive packages, including price reductions and rate buy-downs that change almost weekly to stay competitive in this market that you're going to need someone to help navigate. Let's go take a look at this beautiful house, and we're going to walk through it as it's fully staged. Here we enter, you see this beautiful glass encased door right into the foyer. We see on the left, they did a really good job with this wallpaper on the accent wall in the foyer. And immediately when we come into the left, we have one of 2 downstairs bedrooms. This one has a full bath connected right in the hallway. So this would also be sort of your guest access bath. You notice the ceiling height, the tile on the floor. Then we come left to the first bedroom on the front of the house. Nice tall ceilings. Again, a beautiful accent wall on the back that's sort of a taupe color. They did a really good job of furnishing this one. And even with the construction noise outside, it's still pretty quiet. Again, the construction usually quits around 6 in the evening time. We'll go check out the closet space. Nice deep closet, 1 single wire hanging rack with a shelf. Pretty common in these builds. We walk out of this first bedroom. We have another storage closet as well as a linen closet right outside this bathroom. We come down the foyer. We'll go upstairs to the bedrooms that are up here. There's 3 total. As we first come to this bonus area right at the top of the stairs, look how large this is. This is a completely separate living area upstairs. Got us an air hockey table, plenty of room for a TV on the opposite wall, large size couch. Again, really well designed, really well finished out. As we come off to the right here, we'll come to the utility, which has the washer and dryer. Now, I didn't say this before, but the kitchen actually, the refrigerator is included in this house. I could possibly help you negotiate, get the washer and dryer for you as well. We come into this large ensuite bedroom at the front of the house, where if we go down the right, you'll see the ensuite bathroom. Again, tile floor, single sink, countertop, nice tub surround, combo shower. And then at the opposite end of the bedroom, we have this beautifully encased door that leads into a very large front closet. And then we come to the right. And if we go right, we find a second bedroom upstairs. Again, this is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath house. So again, another large bedroom in here. We look behind the door and there's another closet space. Again, quite sufficient. Nice accent wall. I'm a fan of the longboard skateboards. We come down the hallway to the right, flip on the slide on the right, we'll find the other bathroom up here. They have a separate dual sink top vanity with a separate shower and toilet area. So again, tub, combo shower. And as we walk through this door, we come to the last of the 3 bedrooms upstairs. This one has a nice closet as well. This is at the back of the house. We're about midday here, looking at all the natural light coming in here. It has the window treatments as well, which is great. Come back down the hallway, back through the bonus room, and then we'll head downstairs and look at the main living area. So we have this mud room right off the main foyer with a closet. We come to the right here. This would be your pantry. Not quite as large, but then we have this great, beautifully designed kitchen. And again, the refrigerator in these homes is included. You can see the size of the island. That's 5 stools right there. We've got a 5-burner gas top range with a vented hood, tile subway backsplash, white cabinets. We have a built-in Frigidaire microwave and a separate oven, plenty of storage. And if we turn around, we have this common eating area that looks out directly to the backyard. Nice tall ceilings, tons of recessed lighting. All right, as we make our way to the back door, we can check out the back patio area. Sliding glass door, which is really quiet. This particular unit backs up to the woods, so you're not gonna have anybody behind you. These lots are about a 1/4 acre, depending on which lot you get, could get up to 1/3 of an acre, but minimum about a 1/4 of an acre. Again, you can see when you're in the living area, you can see all the way down the foyer to the front door. Now we go into the master. Tons of lighting, large master bedroom, accent wall with wallpaper on it. This is a king size bed in here. Plenty of room to navigate. We come into the ensuite bath. To the left, we just have a shower, quite large shower with tile. We have a dual sink vanity here on the right with 1 large mirror. And then we go into this large master closet that goes all the way around to the right. So plenty of room. If you wanted to take this closet to the next level and do some built-ins, I actually personally have a sauna that would fit in here. Great opportunity to build out a large master closet. We come back down and we go back out. And then to the left, we're gonna have garage access. However, we're not gonna go in there. This is actually where the sales office is, so we can't really do much in there for that. So if you'd like to know anything about this development, 300 homes, they just started building. Prices range from the low 6 to the mid 7s, multiple incentives. Again, 5 different floor plans, about 5 to 6 different elevations for each floor plan. They're gonna pay me to represent you. I'm a local resident. I've been in real estate for about 15 years. This is just one example of the new communities coming online with the national builders coming into the community. You can check out my YouTube channel. My Instagram handle is right here as well, if you'd like to subscribe. Again, my name is Jack Lerond. I look forward to hearing from you. My number is right here as well. Let's connect and talk about what you would like to decide about moving to Fairview, Tennessee. Thank you.